Join me as I dive into the world of French cuisine and challenge myself to recreate 3 classic dishes using only traditional methods. French cuisine is one of the most renowned and celebrated culinary traditions in the world. With its rich flavors, intricate preparations, and exquisite presentation, it's no wonder that French cuisine has been a benchmark for fine dining for centuries. From haute cuisine to rustic bistro fare, French cuisine has had a profound influence on the way we think about food and cooking. There's a common misconception that French cuisine is overly complicated and only suitable for fine dining. Many people think that to cook French food, you need to be a skilled chef with years of experience. But the truth is, French cuisine is more than just escargot and foie gras. It's a diverse and vibrant culinary tradition that's deeply rooted in the country's culture and history. French cuisine is also often associated with long, complicated recipes and hours spent in the kitchen. But that's not always the case. In reality, French cuisine is incredibly varied, with different regions boasting their own unique specialties and cooking techniques. From the hearty stews and casseroles of Provence to the delicate seafood dishes of Brittany, each region has its own distinct flavor profile and culinary identity. And then, of course, there are the ingredients. French cuisine is famous for its emphasis on using only the freshest, highest quality ingredients, from rich cheeses to fragrant herbs and wines. The diversity of French cuisine is truly one of its most exciting aspects. Whether you're in the mood for a rich, comforting bouillabaisse or a light, elegant salad niçoise, there's a French dish to suit every taste and occasion. And it's not just about the food itself. French cuisine is also about the techniques and traditions that have been passed down through generations of cooks. From the art of sauce making to the precise techniques of patisserie, French cuisine is a culinary tradition that's steeped in history and culture. Let's take a closer look at one of France's most beloved dishes, coq au vin. This classic dish is a staple of French cuisine, and for good reason. With its rich, flavorful sauce, tender chicken, and perfectly cooked mushrooms and onions, coq au vin is a true showstopper. But what really makes this dish special is its technique, the process of marinating the chicken in red wine, then slow cooking it in a rich broth with aromatics and mushrooms. In conclusion, French cuisine is a rich and varied culinary tradition that's full of surprises. From its regional specialties to its traditional techniques and emphasis on quality ingredients, there's always something new to discover. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting to explore the world of French cuisine, I hope this video has inspired you to try something new and delicious. If you're a fan of French cuisine, I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite French dishes in the comments below. And be sure to check out my related video on cooking techniques for more tips and tricks on recreating classic French dishes at home.